The Fuse tab is where you merge your graphics with decals. Once fused, you can move each decal independently while maintaining the original graphics. At the top of the rendering section, you can choose between two methods, mix and raster. The mix method preserves vector data as much as possible, ensuring the graphics remain editable even on the print sheet. The raster method renders all graphics into a high-resolution raster. Additionally, you can enable preserve spot colors and overprints. If using these features, remember to activate the overprint preview for accurate display of overprints. In the range section, you specify which decals to process. By default, all decals are selected, but for large or complex documents, you can limit the process to a specific range or even a single decal. Clicking the reload icon will reset the range selection. The Fuse button begins the rendering process, fusing all decals in the specified range. Once the fusing process is complete, you can load a previously created layout, making it ready for print in no time. If you don't have a layout, you can nest your Fuse decals. You can even nest decals created outside of the DecalMate Pro template system, but these decals must conform to the standard format of a group containing cut lines and a clipped group with graphics. That wraps up everything you need to know about the Fuse tab. Thanks for watching.